Joe, we are not as alike. We have our differences. Men blonde.
You can't, by all means.
I think perhaps it was their brain.
The sky gets lower by the hour.
Waterfalls in the
That's why it's called a sun shower.
Ah, and now it stops.
We were going to be wet.
If I say rain, then you say snow. If I say yes, you say no. It seems before we start we're gone. We will argue out below. If I say share with me, it's all umbrella.
I say, who cares if I get wet?
We are as different as the morning and the night.
No, we are as different as the winter and the spring.
We always seem to fight.
We disagree on everything.
You make me smile, you make me laugh, you make me cry. How can I explain something I feel when you're not home? Though we are not at home, you make me feel alive.
If we have died too,
Not once more we come. Love could be like a small umbrella in the rain. When people discover passion, they come on something rare. This burning laughing calm will shelter the many where. Don't the rest may be rough.
with such passion to share, I think they have more than enough.
Enough to make a marriage if we dare.
You are proposing?
No, yes. I don't want today or tomorrow. It's not in a year, maybe 2 years even. I'm a patient.
I won't be sweet, won't be today.
Yes, I prefer this.
I'll speak my mind, you can be sure.
I read shutters through the cold.
I said, let me show you some umbrella.
Yes, I care if we get wet.